Good morning students. In this class I will be doing class 10 Samachir Kalvi syllabus or matriculation syllabus second chapter numbers and sequences. Today I am going to start a new exercise 2.8. In this sum of the geometric progressions we will see. Sums based on sum of the geometric progressions GP. So in this two conditions we will have two formulas we will be using. One is if the ratio is less than 1. If the ratio is less than 1, we will use Sn is equal to A into 1 minus R power n by 1 minus R. This formula we will use if R is less than 1. If ratio is greater than 1, then we will use Sn is equal to A into R power n minus 1 by R minus 1. So these two formulas we will be using. So depending upon the ratio, how we are getting the ratio, accordingly we will use either one of these formulas. So first one is find the sum of the first n terms of the GP. So this one is A is equal to 5. A is the first term. So A is equal to 5. And the ratio is T2 by T1. So second term here is minus 3 by first term is 5. So here we are getting R as less than 1. So we will be using the first formula. Sn is equal to A into 1 minus R power n by 1 minus R. So this formula we will use. So this is equal to A is the first term 5 into 1 minus R power n. So 1 minus ratio is minus 3 by 5 whole power n by 1 minus R. R is 1 minus 3 by 5. Okay, so we will simplify this. So 5 into 1 minus 3 power n by 5 power n divided by, when we simplify this we will get 1 plus 3 by 5. So the denominator will get us 1 plus 3 by 5. So the denominator will get it as 8 by 5. Okay, so the next one is 5 into 5 power n. When we take LCM for this, 5 power n is the LCM. So 5 power n minus into minus is plus. Plus 3 power n by 5 power n. This is for the numerator. And the denominator we will get it as 5 by 8. 8 by 5 we will take reciprocal, we will get it as 5 by 8. So we will get the answer as 25 by 8 into 5 power n plus 3 power n by 5 power n. So this is the sum of the terms, first n terms of the given AP with A and R. Next sum is A is equal to 256 and the ratio is 64 by 256. So 64 into 4 will be 4 4s are 60, 256 we will get. So this is equal to 1 by 4. So this 1 by 4 is also less than 1. So we will use the first formula. So Sn is equal to A into 1 minus R power n by 1 minus R. So A is 256 and 1 minus R is 1 by 4 the whole power n divided by 1 minus 1 by 4. So this is equal to 256 into 1 minus 1 power n by 4 power n divided by 1 minus 1 by 4 will be 3 by 4. 3 by 4. So this is equal to 256 into 4 by 3. Okay, into 4 by 3 into 1 minus 1 by 4 power n. So this is equal to, when we multiply this, 6 4s are 24, 2, 5 4s are 20, 22, 4 2s are 8, 9, 10. 1024 by 3 into 1 minus 1 by 4 power n. So this is the Sn for the second series. So 1 minus, here we will get 1 power n. You can write it as, if we want we can write it as 1 by 4 whole power n also. Anyway it can be, but 1 power n we have to write 1024 by 3 into 1 minus 1 by 4 whole power n. Okay. Find the sum of first 6 terms of the GP, 5, 15 and 45. So here A is 5 and the ratio is 15. T2 by T1, that is equal to 3. So this is greater than 1. So we will use Sn is equal to A into R power n minus 1 by R minus 1. This formula we will use. We are asked to find sum of first 6 terms. So n is equal to 6. N is equal to 6. So S6 is equal to A is 5, R is 3, power n is 6 minus 1 divided by 3 minus 1. R is 3, 3 minus 1. So this one will be 5 into 3 power 6 minus 1. So 3 power 6 is 3 multiplied 6 times. 3 3s are 9, 3 3s are 9, 3 3s are 9. 9 9s are 81, 81 into 9 is 729. So 729 minus 1 by 2. So this will be 5 into 729 minus 1 is 728 by 2. So this will be 5 into 2 3s are 6, 2 6s are 12, 2 4s are 8. So when we multiply this, 5 4s are 20, 5 6s are 30, 5 3s are 15. So sum of first 6 terms is 1820. Find the first term of GP whose common ratio is 5 and whose sum of first 6 terms is 46,872. So here the common ratio R is given as 5. So this is greater than 1. Okay. And then sum of the first 6 terms S6 is given as 46,872. So these are the things given. We are asked to find the first term. To find first term, that is A. A we are asked to find. Okay. So S6 is equal to 46,872. Since this ratio is greater than 1, we will take A into R power n. 5 power n is 6 minus 1 by 5 minus 1 is equal to 46,872. Okay, so here when we simplify this, we will get A into 5 power 6. So that is 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. So this is 25, 25, 25. So 25, 25 are 625. 625 into 25 is 15625. So when we multiply these two, we will get 15625. So numerator will be 15625 minus 1 by 4 is equal to 46872. Okay. So here A is equal to. So again one more step is A into 15624 divided by 4 is equal to 46,872. So A is equal to 46,872 into 4. So this one, when it is going to that side, it will be into 4 divided by 15624. Okay. So 15624 into 3 if we check. 4 3s are 12, 7, 18, 46872 we are getting. So 15624 into 3 will be 46872. So 3 into 4 will be 12. So the first term is 12. We are asked to find the first term. So we got the first term as 12. This is the answer. Okay. So with this, I am completing today's class. Whatever doubts you have, you message me in the comment box. Thank you.